Hello to all the happy housewives and their happy families. Today we are going to talk about a few basic kitchen appliances that I've been using for quite some time now. And this is one of the reasons that you might see some rusty old appliances today. So we are going to talk about four appliances that I've been using for quite some time now. First is an egg boiler, which also poaches eggs. And second is a pop-up toaster. Then we have an electric kettle, a very basic one, and a rice cooker. So let's see what they do. So the first appliance is going to be an egg boiler. So you can see there are buttons down below. And also you have a measuring cup, which is used for pricking eggs as well. And to have a few basic measurements that are mentioned in the manual, which comes along with the appliance. Then you have a lid here, which is made up of plastic, but it is quite sturdy. Then you can see there are two cups which are used to poach eggs. Then you have a tray on which you place eggs while boiling. Then down below you can add water as per the measurements given in the manual. Place the tray on top, place the eggs, cover those with lid, and in a few minutes boiled eggs are ready. If you wish to poach eggs, then just break eggs into these cups and cover them with lid, and again poached eggs are ready in just a few minutes. Next we have an electric kettle to boil water. It has a button on side and a lid on top, and it has a metal base in the interiors. This is auto cut and pretty simple. Next, let us talk about my personal favorite, which is a rice cooker, a must-have. Down below you have a button. You just press it down when you want to cook rice, and once it's done, it'll automatically come up. Then you have a button on top of the lid, which is used to open the lid. In the interiors, you have a plate, which is a must when you're cooking rice. And it's removable, and this is very easy to clean rice cooker. Then you have a spatula which comes along with it, and a holder to hold the spatula. Then next we have a cord which is removable. So bye to messy storage then. So next we have a pop-up toaster in bright yellow color from Prestige. There are ample number of options that you have here, from degrees or of toasting your bread to cancelling the heating process and to reheating the bread again. So pretty functional. Then you have a tray on top to cover it from dust and other things, and then a slide down button. You also have a crumb tray to get the crumbs out of the toaster, which I really love. And it's a pretty simple one, but a very good one. So I love it. Having a pop-up toaster at this price range and with so many features of even defrosting and heating a bagel is pretty good, I must say. I bought it from Amazon and it's been quite some time now, and I'm loving it. So I find these appliances really good, and the features are awesome. They're not just restricted to one thing. You can use them in multiple ways. Suppose a basic thing like kettle. It saves so much of your time. You're preparing tea and half of the time is gone just to boil water. So heat or boil the water in kettle, and your tea would just take a few more minutes to be done. And similar is the rice cooker. You are not just restricted to boiling plain simple rice. You can do pulao, biryani. I've seen people doing dal in rice cookers. So, and another thing that I forgot to mention about rice cookers is that it keeps your food warm. So even after going out for 4 hours and then coming back, your food is going to be warm and fresh with the warm function and auto cut function of rice cookers. A few appliances from my list, and I would be sharing a lot more videos on home appliances and things that make our job easier and quicker, and make us eventually happier, and also our families, because it is eventually a chain reaction that happens. So I hope you like this video and it is helpful for you. Please do let me know if you require a review or details of any specific appliance or a utensil or anything that is related to house or making our lives simpler. I would love to do that for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.